Hello, welcome to a morning review on Friday the 31st of October. Okay, let's look at the markets today, and as you can see, the pound dollar yesterday, it did actually manage for most of the morning to rally up, but finally in the afternoon rolled back over again, and once again we're testing a series of lows that are around that 159.63 sort of area, which have been tested numerous times now. Now when you look at it on an hourly point of view, you can see what I mean. There's quite a lot of hits here. If we break through this area with the negative momentum we've got, there is a possibility we continue to the downside. Where to? Well, really need to, I'd prefer it to break out through yesterday's lows there as well, but if it does, well, then I'd be looking for the lows of way back on the 15th of October. So we'd be looking for those sort of lows, the prior lows there, which are sitting at 58.76 sort of region. If it once again reverses from this sort of level, again it's quite a difficult market to read from that point of view. We have got this descending trend line that sort of sits across here. A break of that may see us run up and retest that 50 MA, which is sitting across there, which probably come in just before yesterday's highs. So there is a chance that would see see some resistance around that area. If it breaks that, then we're looking at 200, 100, 100, all sitting nestled together. They're pretty flat though, higher up at 160.65 area. At the moment though, it's erring towards the bearish side, but it really depends if it breaks this trend line. If it starts breaking this trend line to the upside, potential is for further upside. Okay, let's have a look at the euro dollar, and once again similar-ish picture. We have got a lot of support, which I'll show you in a moment, around the lows here. Again, if we break yesterday's low, really, we could be on for the prior lows, looking for around about the 125 area. Once again, would be on target. If it holds where it is, well, or we get any sort of retracement, it's getting a bit oversold as I'm talking here. If it manages to make a move up, well, I'd be looking for the hourlies and looking for a trend line to be broken before I could be looking for long. So it could be a bit of a game of sit and wait this morning. So it's really a case of it breaks these lows here, which is just edging to trying to do. It is, whilst it's doing it though, quite oversold. So as it's in this sort of position, I may have to let it break and just retest, and then get into the position for a short. But at the moment, as I say, if it does that, well, target's not a million miles away, but it does give a reasonable trace of over 50 pips there to be had towards the lows. Right, that's it for me. Hope you have a great day. News-wise, I should mention there's not a significant amount of news coming out today. We've got CPI flash estimate at 10 o'clock on the euro. That could create a bit of volatility, but we've already seen the German numbers coming out, but still could create volatility around 10 o'clock. Canadian GDP figures, they come out monthly, so they're out at 12:30, but they have less weighting. So that's where we are, really. Not a lot of news to move the market, so we'll see how they drift this morning. Bye for now.